Hello student, let us next exercise 14.3 graphical representation of data. Divide into different section: bar graph, histogram of uniform width and varying width, frequency, polygons. Bar graphs. First we discuss example 5. In a particular section of class 9, 40 students were asked about the month of their birth and following graph was prepared for the data so obtained. This is your bar graph. Observe the bar graph given above and answer the following question. How many students were born in the month of November? This is your month of November, and that is 4 students. Clearly 4 students were born in the month of November. Clearly 4 students were born in the month of November. Now second, in which month were maximum number of students born? Maximum number of students born were born in the month of August, because this rectangle has highest frequency. Now we discuss example 6. A family with monthly income of rupees 20,000 had planned for the following expenditure per month under various heads. Heads expenditure in 1000 rupees. Now again explain example 5. Clearly 4 students were born in the month of November, and second, maximum number of students were born in the month of August. Now example 6. Draw a bar graph for the above information. Take 1 unit equal to 1000 rupees. Draw horizontal axis and vertical axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Expenditure in 1000 rupees. Horizontal shows expenditure in 1000 rupees. And vertical axis shows expenditure in 1000 rupees. And x-axis shows heads. Grocery. Expenditure in rupees 4,000. So we take, draw rectangle. Grocery, for grocery 4,000. This rectangle represent grocery. And next, rent 5,000. Take one column blank, and this rectangle shows only rent, and rent shows 5,000. Now next, education of children will also expand 5,000. Education, this is your 5,000. So we draw rectangle for education for children. Now next, medicine 2,000. So we draw, this is your 2,000. So we draw rectangle for medicine 2,000. Next, fuel also shows 2,000. So we draw a rectangle for fuel 2,000. Next, entertainment 1,000. This is your entertainment. And next, miscellaneous shows also 1,000. This is your bar graph for a family expenditure. Now we discuss example 7. A teacher wanted to analyze the performance of the two section of student in a mathematics test 100 marks. Looking at their performance, she found that few students got under 20 marks and few got 70 marks and above. So she decided to group them into intervals of varying size as follows: 0 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on. Then she formed the following table: 0 to 20, that is 7 students, 20 to 30, that is 10 students. Similarly, 70 and above, that is 8 students, total 90. Now, we see all class interval does not have same size. So, first find the length of rectangle varying the frequency. So, we draw column marks, frequency, width of class, length of rectangle. 0 to 20, that is 7. 0 to 20, that is 7. Width of class, upper limit minus lower limit. 20 minus 0, that is 20. Next class interval, 20 to 30, that is 10 frequency. Width of class, 30 minus 20, that is 10. Similarly, 30 to 40, frequency 10 and class width 10. 40 to 50, frequency 20 and class width 10. 50 to 60, 20 and class width 10. 60 minus 50, that is 10. Similarly, 60 to 70, frequency 15 and class width 10. 100 minus 70, 100 minus 70, that is 30. 30 is the width of last class interval and frequency of this class interval is 8. Now, length of the rectangle, 7 upon width class multiply minimum width class. Minimum width class is 10. So, multiply by 10. 0, 0 cancel. 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2 means 3.5. Now next, 10 upon 10 multiply 10. 10, 10 cancel, we get 10. 10 upon 10 multiply 10 equal to 10. 20 upon 10 multiply 10. 0, 0 cancel, that is 20. 20 upon 10 multiply 10, that is 20. 15 upon 10 multiply minimum class width, that is 10. 10, 10 cancel, that is 15. 8 upon 30 multiply 10. 0, 0 cancel, 8 upon 3 mean 2.67. Now we draw histogram of this class interval. So we draw horizontal axis and vertical axis. 0 to 10 scale 1 unit equal to 4 student. Proportion of student per 10 marks interval. Marks. This is vertical axis, this is horizontal axis. 0 to 20, that is length of rectangle 3.5. So this is your 3.5. Next, 20 to 30, length of rectangle 10. So we draw this rectangle, that is 10, length of rectangle 10 and class interval 20 to 30. Similarly, 30 to 40 also 10. 30 to 40 also 10. 40 to 50, width, length of class 20. Length of rectangle 20. 40 to 50, that is 20. Next, 50 to 60, that is 20. Similarly, 50 to 60, that is 20. Next class, 60 to 70, that is 15. 60 to 70, this is your 12 and 16, that is 15. 15. This rectangle shows 15, length of rectangle 15, and this is your class interval 60 to 70. Last class interval 70 to 100, 70 to 100, and length of class is 2.67. This is your 2.67, and this is your complete histogram of this information. Do question example 5, 6, 7 in your fair notebook. Thank you.